Hello, this is Jeremy Logsdon at Jamf, and in Lesson 11, we'll be talking about Jamf Pro user accounts. Now, it's important to note that there are two types of users in Jamf Pro. First, here we have the end users with managed devices assigned to them, and Jamf Pro users, which are typically for IT administrators to access the web interface with varying privilege sets. Much like the macOS Setup Assistant, when creating the first account during the Jamf Pro Setup Assistant, it will have the administrator privilege set. This account can be found by going to Settings and Jamf Pro User Accounts and Groups. Any users with the administrator privilege set will have the ability to create, read, update, and delete any items within Jamf Pro. These users will also automatically have the same privileges for any new features or future additions to Jamf Pro. Let's say we want to create an account for a new administrator. I'll come back to my list, and in the top right, go ahead and click the New button. Next, we get the option to create a standard account or group. Leave Create Standard Account selected and click Next. And here we can type in the username or short name for the account. Then, from the Privilege Set drop-down menu, select Administrator, and we can verify these privileges by clicking the Privileges tab. This account will have the ability to create, read, update, and delete all items within Jamf Pro. Accounts can be disabled if necessary using the Account Status menu. Full name and email address are not required, but if we want to receive email notifications from Jamf Pro, we'll need to enter an email address for the account. Next, we can set the password or create a temporary password and check the box to force this new user to change their password at the next login. There are a couple other predefined privilege sets that we can use when creating Jamf Pro users. The Auditor privilege set is essentially a read-only account. A user with auditor privileges will be able to log in and view all items in Jamf Pro, but not have the ability to create, edit, or delete anything. The Auditor privilege set is great for creating users who may not be IT administrators, but still need the ability to view licensing and run inventory reports. The Enrollment-only privilege set will be a user that only has the ability to enroll devices. In order to enroll devices, they need to be able to create computers and mobile devices, as well as enrollment profiles and invitations. The Enrollment-only privilege set is useful in a scenario where we are asking the users to enroll their devices with user-initiated enrollment. We'll discuss this type of enrollment in a future lesson, but in order for users to enroll their devices, they'll need a way to authenticate to Jamf Pro. An enrollment-only Jamf Pro account provides just the right amount of access to achieve this. And finally, there is the Custom privilege set. This allows IT administrators to be very granular in their selection of privileges for Jamf Pro accounts. It's recommended to test accounts with custom privileges sets to ensure the user has or does not have the desired privileges and the account behaves as expected. That's all for the lesson on Jamf Pro user accounts. Be sure to check out the next lesson covering DEP enrollment and iOS pre-stages. Thanks for watching.